welcome to our channel Oracle DBA Smart. We will see how to connect SQL Developer tool to our database. So this is the Oracle database. You can see we have taken the session from the putty. You can see DB is up and running. OraDB read write mode and primary. So you can see this is the current. So today is 28 May. So this is there is a database up and running, and now this the database we will connect in this session. So let's start how to connect the SQL Developer tool to this database. So first we have to open this SQL Developer in this. Let's start the SQL Developer. So here, just wait. Yeah, here you can see SQL Developer we have already downloaded. Here is the application. So we am going to start the SQL Developer application. Wait a second, and is now you can see it is getting started. Okay, guys. So here we have on you can see our SQL Developer page is started. So now tool is SQL Developer 2 started. Now we going to connect our database. Which database we have OraDB. I have to already show you. So that database whenever we have to going to connect. So asking some details that username, password. So we have required here we can name. So I'm going to connect OraDB, and here is we have required for the DB username and password. So I will show you of the details. Here host name, so we have provide the host name, port, and we have required service name. So we have our details of here. We can see, we can check our this detail. So I'm going to check the details. So in this you can see this detail already set in this tnsname.ora. So here you can see host name is localhost, port name is 152, and service name is OraDB. So this is already this detail we have to require. So now let's, and one more user we have to required for login. So we have a DB user. I will show you connect to the SQL. So here I is asking password. Okay, so you can see here DB user is connected. Okay, it means that user we have to connect, we have to use for this login. Okay, so all details we have collected. Now here we can say DB name is already no problem, and now I'm using DB user name and password. I have already checked with the connection. So and for the local host we have to use IP. So I will show you the IP of the database. So here I'm going to show you the IP. You can check host name. This is the Linux server, so this we can find host name hyphen I 192.168.205.187. This is the IP. So we will use IP instead of host name. Okay, so and port is already 1521. This is the default port of the Oracle database. It means database. This in Oracle we have using a default port. 152 is a default port. And what was the service name? I have already show you. This is the service name. You can see OraDB. So same service name we have to use. Okay, guys. So now all details we have fill up. Now going to test. Okay, guys. So here you can see successfully connected. We have test. So you can see successfully connected that we are able to connect the database. So now going to connect, and yeah, here you can see successfully connected OraDB. and we have, you can see here is a stable details and everything. So user, if we are using so user, so I will check what is the result. Yeah, here you can see username is db user. Okay, and I will show you also some details. Select name, open underscore mode, database underscore role, name, status from v dollar database, v dollar instance, and this command we will use and see. Okay, so here you can see our name is OraDB, open mode is read write, database role is primary, name is OraDB, is also database name is OraDB, and status is open. It means our database is successfully connected. Introduction session of this video. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comments.